How to sell digital art online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can sell your own digital art online. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So I'm on Pinterest over here, and this is a pretty amazing website to get you look and feel of things. All right, so we're going to be going over here to find some different types of ideas and try to see how we can create them. All right, now, there are a couple of ways that you can do this. If you are already skilled enough to, use, let's say, Illustrator or Photoshop or any other tool, then you can pretty much create any design you want and then you can sell it online as well. But if you're someone like me and who doesn't have any skill whatsoever in that department, then you can try the other method as well. So let me just go ahead and, sign up over here. And boom, there we go. So all right, so I'm on Pinterest and this is how it looks like. So over here, this is pretty amazing, website. And over here, you can create really amazing looking art as well. And it's really easy as well. So don't worry. Now, for example, let's say this art right here. So if you wanted to create something similar, you can do that. It's not that hard. It won't look exactly the same because this is an original concept. But for you, it would be, similar. So let me just look around first and then I'll show you how you can do that. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different arts that only talent can create. So if you are really talented in the field of digital arts, creating illustrations, then I mean, of course you can go ahead and create them. But if you're not, then tough luck. So let's go ahead and try to create that art that I showed you, like this one. So over here, let's just take a look over here. So it's like a tree, all right, with some DNA background, with some mountains, some trees and some birds, white background. So you can create something similar, and you can create something similar on this website called canva.com. Now canva.com is a pretty amazing website where you can create a lot of different things. So you can create videos, you can create flyers, you can create logos, you can get TikTok videos, presentations. You've got a bunch of different other options that you can do. All right, and over here, as you can see, I've already created one beforehand, so I'm gonna show you how I did that as well. It's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and do that. So first things first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna need to create a Canva. All right, but first things first, what you're gonna need to do is you need to create a canvas. All right, now to create a canvas, just simply click on create a design. And over here you have a bunch of different options. So over here you can create a video, logo, t-shirt, posters, whatever you want. So since we are trying to create something like that, so let's go with a poster, or let's go with a custom size, and over here we'll just go with a 1080 by 1920, right? And then we'll just simply click on create new design, and it'll open up a new canvas in front of us, and we can start creating a new design. So over here, I basically also wanted to create a wallpaper as well. So over here, I'm going to try to create a design that I really like, right? But it also depends upon your creativity, all right? So in my mind, I'd want to create something that I really like. Think of a poster, all right? Think of a design that you really like. So for me, I really like the Fuji waves of, the Japanese wave. Let me just show you. I'm pretty sure it's over here on Pinterest. So if I search for Fuji waves, I'm pretty sure it'll come up. See, like this one over here. Looks really cool. I really like this. I don't know why, but to me it looks really calm, especially like this, the one with the Japanese logo or Japanese writing. Like, I really like that. So we're gonna try to create something like that. All right. So we're gonna go over here, and I'm gonna search for maybe waves. Maybe it's over here as well. So if I search for Fuji waves, over here we have the mountain, but we don't have the waves, or at least not similar. We do have this over here, which is similar, but it's not exactly the same. So we're just gonna leave it at that and try to find the ones that we like. All right, here we go. Over here we have it. There we go. This is the wave that I really like, so we're gonna put it over here. It even has the little boat as well, so we're gonna put this here. And it all depends on you, right? Now, what if you wanted to, like, let's say, add a temple at the background? What you could do is you can even add this temple. You could go with, like, send backwards, and you can put this temple over here, in the background pretty neatly. It won't look bad. I mean, it'll look really bad because it's transparent, but I'm just giving you an example. So let me just actually remove that. And in the back, I would like to have like a sun, like these images over here, like these ones, or maybe like something like this. If I add this one over here, if I make it a little bit bigger, I could probably add this over here. like maybe somewhere around here. And what if I now, since it's a yellow, it doesn't look good, but if I click on the color and I make it red, instantly it looks much better. And same with the blue ones, if I turn those into, let's say, black, then that looks also really nice. So over here, as you can see, it looks really cool, looks really nice. So you can go ahead and probably do something like this, or you could go with, just a simple circle, and maybe like, put it over here in the center, like here, and you could color it red. Boom, there you go. Now, since it has that effect, it looks really nice, right? We could, whatever we do, we could, like, make it increased height over here, like this. Also looks really nice. We could also maybe like increase the size of the waves, to make it look better. Maybe we could add something like this, and maybe we can put the sun over here, and we can add maybe like a cloud or two, and boom, we're good to go. Like, for example, we could add like this cloud over here if we wanted to, make it a little bit bigger. Boom, there we go. Looks really nice. Or what we could next do is maybe we could have added like a temple, like this mountain. If we increase the size of the mountains, we could have put it like this one over here, like completely. Like, it could be a nice wallpaper. So as I said, it all depends on you. Now, I also created a similar like this one, but in a bigger canvas like this one, and I think this looks much better in my opinion. Just overall, it looks really nice. So we could go with this one, and next what we could do is maybe like you can add the name. So I'm gonna write Fuji Waves over here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just simply download it, click on share, click on download, and just download it. Yeah. Now I would like to create a new one, 19 by 20, 1080. If I could create like a desktop wallpaper, copy these elements over here and paste it. Boom, you've got yourself a nice wallpaper like that. Pretty simple, pretty cool. Now you could maybe like do this black or blue or white, and you could maybe like add in a shape over here, let's say some square. And for this one, you could right click and send backwards, make it a little bit bigger, and over here you could go with a black color. And then what you got is these waves in front of you, looking pretty nice, really cool. And now what we could do is, as I said before, we could add the circle, or what we could do is maybe like we can search for moon over here. We have this moon over here, we have these images, but we want like a graphic type so that we can change the color as well. So maybe like this one, and maybe, can we change the color? No, we cannot, so we'll just leave it at that. Can we change the color of this one? Yes, we can. So for this one, we could go with the red, and for this one, we could go with red as well, or maybe like, darker red with the a little bit dots over there, like something like, and just like that. Next, what we could do is maybe like, that's it. Next, what we could do is maybe download it, and then we can, sell it online as well. So to do that, you could sell it on Etsy. Is an amazing store where you can find different illustrations and stuff like that. So if I come over here and I search for illustrations, it's going to show me a lot of different options over here. As you can see, we can have a lot of different options. You can go ahead and sell a lot of these. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically do it. Find your inspiration, and then you can create one on Canva and then sell it online. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.